Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hey, I am just Jazz. So today, as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be doing a hair review. This is my first time ever doing a hair review on this channel, and hopefully I can do more hair reviews because I really like this. I did not record of me installing this because I do not know how to do hair. So the braids under here and the track under here, well, the tracks might not even be like in a straight line. So all that in the camera, I'm gonna show you how to put this Quickweave on. I can do it. This is way too advanced. So this hair was really cheap. This hair was $20 from this beauty supply store. $20, sis. $20. $20. Oh, look at my red hair popping up. Y'all, my red hair long. Okay, anyway. Okay, so yeah, this hair is really soft. I got this video from a YouTuber. I forgot what YouTuber is. I'll put down below where I got it from. But this hair is about Organique. It's the Organique Master Mix, and I got the 18-20-22 deep wave, and it's big like this because I combed it out a little bit because on the tutorial that I seen, I really like how it looked. When she combed hers out. It was really big. It wasn't like it didn't look like pack hair. You get what I'm trying to say? Then deep wave pack hair, it didn't look like it. Like if you comb it out, it's not gonna look like that. But yeah, this hair is really soft. This is my second day wearing it. Well, really my first day because I did it yesterday. So yeah, it's really soft. I like it. I love it. I want to try another. I want to try a different kind of curl, but yeah, it's really soft. It don't smell. It don't smell like plastic either. Y'all know the synthetic mix have be smelling like plastic sometimes. It don't smell like plastic. I ain't put nothing on it. I just combed it out. I guess you can put mousse on it. I've seen some reviews when people when they go to sleep at night, they twist it and put mousse on it. Mousse on, like hair mousse. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I mean, I might. I don't know. I'm not putting this on the court. I don't know. But anyway, y'all. So this hair is really cheap, really affordable. Altogether, the hair store I spent $29. So I got this for $20. I got my stocking cap. I got some glue, and I got some edge control. And this is the edge control I got. And it works. It's alright. You got regular glue. Definitely go get this hair, especially if you balling on a budget. When you need some real quick, like I did, because I know it's Labor Day weekend, so I need my hair to be cute some kind of way. Because I wasn't wearing that pull, honey, it wasn't happening. So $20. Do y'all like my makeup? I definitely recreated Asian doll, Asian the Brad. That's why I got this look from. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I did good, didn't I? But yeah, y'all, definitely go check this hair out for real. It's in the beauty supply store. It's called Organique. It's the Master Mix. It comes with 3 pieces. 3, and this is the deep wave curl. So yeah, I may do an update. If I remember to do an update, I'll do an update on this video. And in about next week I'll do an update, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it do. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little video, show y'all my hair because it's cute and I love it. And it's bouncy. It's really it's bouncy and it's really soft. And I ain't even just saying it. It's really soft. Now how's it gonna be next week? I don't even know. This is my first time ever buying this hair. Like I said, this is my first time doing a hair review also. So if y'all like this video, let me know down below in the comments. Also, I want to do more hair reviews. My reviews get hella views. Like, my purse review get a lot of views. I think I'm gonna do a lot of more reviews when I figure out what I'm doing reviews on. Like, I don't know. I might just do purses and hair, or I don't know. I might just do everything. But thank y'all for watching this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm gonna put the link down below to my Instagram, so y'all can go look at this look. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to record me making this look, or record me doing this my face. And I'll definitely record for y'all. So thank y'all for watching this video, and see you later.